A father is allowed to nullify a vow that his little daughter made. Why doesn't it apply to male children as well?
No, what's up? She's not little. No, 1 second. Let's go back. She's not little. If a child has it, has no validity whatsoever. So we said that she's actually Nara. She's actually not. So she's actually 12 years old, but she's still in the father's house. I think I did not get to the parsha yet, if I remember correctly. So it's between 12 and 12 and a half. If she does that, right, and she's still in the father's house, so he has a power to nullify it, even though in some sense she's adult, but it's this 6 months in this 6 months period. So if the children, whatever say, their words have no significance. They cannot testify in court. I mean, nothing. In some things we do rely on children, but it's only minority of this. Not very important. For example, somebody asked us before about Halaf Israel, right? So Halaf Israel. So if child 9-year-old boy, for example, was in the premises when they milk cows, so we can say that this milk is Halaf Israel. Why? Because since he's 9 years old or older, of course, but before bar mitzvah, he's more mature, right? And this non-Jew would be scared to mix something into the milk. Okay, but otherwise, whatever they say, it's like have no validity. You understand? So it's only, but for a boy, that's it. He's 13. Father has no authority, right? He cannot decide, but father can decide some things for a girl, right? And for example, he can marry her off when she's little, right? Marry her off, not marry. It's not marriage, but sell her as a maid servant to a Jew, right? Who said, okay, let her work in my house for a few years. And then when she's more mature, I marry her, or my son is going to marry her, and that's it. So so father has this authority to sell this girl, and then he can nullify whatever she said. But when she comes into maturity, this girl, she's 12 years old, and she said, you know what, I don't want to be married to this guy if he did not marry her officially until that time, so she can just walk out. That's it. Everything is nullified. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, no problem. So, no questions? Stop here. All right. No problem. Thank you very much. I want to wish everybody good Shabbos. It was a very productive week. We did extra every day. Baruch Hashem. Good questions. Keep preparing the questions, any topic. So other people also benefit. And we then, when we cut this lecture, we actually cut the questions also and post them separately. And somebody sent me one of our questions was from one of the clip. I was surprised on one of the search engines. It was on the top. Okay, Baruch Hashem. So because of these questions. All right, thank you very much. Good night and until Monday. Baruch Hashem. Thank you.